How to get number transfer pin for Consumer Cellular. Welcome back to Glitz Sorcerer everybody, and let's get right into this tutorial. So firstly, you need to go ahead and log in into your Consumer Cellular account. Make sure that you have the access to your Consumer Cellular account. It is essential for your personalized services for your Consumer Cellular account. Once you are logged in, to get the number transfer pin from your Consumer Cellular, you need to enter your password. If you do not know your password, you can easily go ahead and customize it or update your password through the following ways. First is your account settings, then head to your settings section where you can easily customize your password for enhanced security. Once you are successfully entered or logged in, you need to navigate to the settings menu. This will locate at the corner. From there, tap on transfer pin option. Once proceed, you will receive a unique pin generated instantly for you, which will help to unlock your device securely as well. Once you get the pin, make sure to store it safely with you, as it is crucial for social security as well. To transfer, you can transfer your PIN easily by pasting the PIN, but make sure that the transfer network is secure as well. This wraps up the tutorial. Thank you so much for tuning in.